hiring a ghostwriter to write your articles. Are you looking into ways of promoting and marketing your website? Are you trying to attract more visitors to your website? Are you looking to increase your online sales? Are you trying to increase your AdSense earnings? If you have answered yes to one or more of these questions, article marketing could be the answer for you. Writing articles has for many years been a popular way of going about increasing the number of backward links to one's site, but it can be a very boring and time-consuming one. This is where a ghostwriter can become invaluable, as they can do all of the donkey work for you. Most of these people are experienced, expert writers and are likely to produce a much better quality of article as well. The better the article is, the more likely it will be picked up and used on other websites by other webmasters. Ghostwriters can be found on many of the webmaster forums or even by doing a search on the internet. Prices of course vary, but you should be able to find a price that suits your budget. There are even people or establishments that offer to write an article for you and will also submit the article to a number of the main article directories. Articles-submission.com offer this service for only £10. They also offer to submit an article that you have written to around 20 of the article directories for just £7. As many people know, writing each article is one thing, but then submitting it can also take a great deal of time. People who do have enough spare time on their hands are able to write and submit their own articles. It is important, in my opinion, not to write too many articles at once to promote just one site, as to build up the number of backward links too quickly can be seen in some search engines' eyes as a bad thing. Writing articles for yourself will without doubt save some money, but you need to ensure that the content is interesting and is of benefit to the reader. The best part of this form of web promotion is that the links you obtain are all what is known as one-way links. These type of links, without doubt, have the highest value. You will of course not only obtain additional traffic from obtaining these links, but the readers of your article are also potential visitors to your site. Writing articles is a win-win situation and should be seen as an important part of any web marketing campaign.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.